took journalism, broadcasting, and I thought I have a pretty good voice, but journalism's boring. So I'd love to
Well, in the cartoon, okay, in cartoons, first you have to discover what kind of voices that you have. And every one of us in this room has at least 12 cartoon voices in their head. And I'll give you a demonstration of how that works. Wait, I need some water. We have 12 voices, and the first one, it comes up at the top of your head. And if you can take your same voice and not change it at all, put it into the top of your head, and all of a sudden becomes this light, airy, kind of sweet voice. Take it down into your eyes, and it becomes a little bit more innocent. Then you take it from your eyes and you put it into your nose. Now all of a sudden you're getting sort of a munchkin-y kind of character, and it's kind of fun. You know, it's not really loud, and then you want to get more sinister. So you take that voice from your nose and you put it down to the front of your teeth. And all of a sudden you've got this strange character who is very prim and proper and tight. Now you take that from the front of your teeth, out of your nose, from the front of your teeth to the middle of your mouth. And if you put a voice into the middle of your mouth, it's like putting a mute on a trumpet. You can hear the sound. It's almost Julia Child-like because it's put in the middle. Now you take it from the middle and put it into the back of your throat, and all of a sudden it's starting to get a little bit more resonating, a little bit bigger because it's got a bigger place to put it. Now you take that and you put it down into your throat, and you get more warmth and much larger until you put it into your chest, and all of a sudden it becomes a very big voice. Now you take that chest and add a little gravel to it. Now put that gravel and then put it up into the middle of your throat, into the top of your throat, into the front of your teeth, into your nose, into your eyes, into the top of your head. There you go.